Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize integrate Google Calendar into Softr apps, full guide step by step clearly. To begin integrating Google Calendar into your Softr app, navigate to the Google Cloud Console. Create a new project or select an existing one. On the left sidebar, click on APIs and Services. Then, select Library to access available APIs. Search for Google Calendar API in the library search bar. Click on the Google Calendar API from the results. Press the Enable button to activate the API for your project. Next, navigate to Credentials in the left sidebar. Click on the plus Create Credentials button. From the drop-down menu, choose OAuth Client ID. You'll be prompted to configure the OAuth consent screen first. Select the appropriate user type for your application. Fill out the required fields, including application name and email address. Once the consent screen is set, go back to Credentials. Continue creating your OAuth Client ID. Select Web Application as your application type. In the Authorized Redirect URIs field, input the URL provided by Softr for Google integration. When finished, click Create to generate your credentials. Take note of the client ID and client secret displayed on the screen. Now, open your Softr app and head to the Settings section. Find the Integrations tab within the Settings. Locate the Google Calendar integration option and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your client ID and client secret. Paste the previously copied client ID and client secret into the corresponding fields. Click Authorize to initiate the connection process. A Google sign-in window will appear, prompting you to log into the Google account you wish to integrate. Once logged in, review the permissions requested by Softr. Click Allow to grant Softr access to your Google Calendar. Return to your Softr app, where you should see a confirmation message indicating that the integration was successful. You can now set specific options regarding how you want to use Google Calendar within your app. Explore the integration features to customize them according to your requirements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.